I'm going to show you how I'm branching out my websites, URLs to get indexed into the search engines. Taking one piece of content that I created and turning it into many pieces of content which create more unique individual URLs. Here, let me show you. I have 3 tabs open to 3 YouTube channels. My Income Job YouTube channel, Home Base Income 101 YouTube channel, and Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. On this one, I've been writing letters to Congress to show support to a lawyer that he's helping crypto investors. So what I do is, when I write that content that I read out in the videos, because I actually read the letter that I'm sending to Congress, I take that content, because now it's on a video. It's on YouTube, which is cool. I take that content and I write a blog post about it. I use the exact content that you see here. When you click on Congress, Crypto Clarity Please, that's the latest topic. When you click on it, it's brought to an individual URL. As you can see up here, it creates another URL that will get grabbed by the search engines. And I use the content, the letter that I wrote to Congress, as the blog post content. And then I took the URL, I took the YouTube thumbnail that I created, I linked it to the video, and I also linked it there, added some info. This is a blog post. I use Ad Inserter on this myincomejob.com website. And do you see how I didn't waste that content? I spent, at least 30 minutes producing that content to read out loud in a video. But now I get to multi-use it. Now I'm going to show you another example to my other website that I get 3 times the multi-use out of one piece of work. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Okay, we're there. Storebuy.shop. I'm treating it like a blog now. You see organic chicken cutlets and pumpernickel pizza bread. On this YouTube channel, which is a miscellaneous YouTube channel, these were the last 2 videos I uploaded. Pumpernickel pizza bread and organic chicken. So when you click on organic chicken cutlets, the link, it opens up into a blog post, which creates another unique individual URL, which I'll do this in another video. I'll show you, and I have shown my subscribers how I manually submit URLs to search engines, but I've gotten better at it and I have more of an understanding. So it creates another blog post. I took the time, I spared like 15 minutes and wrote some content here. I used the YouTube thumbnail. I linked it to the video at that YouTube channel, and there you go. And then I use Ad Inserter. Ads. This all populates, all this work you see here, after I create a blog post and add the content and this YouTube thumbnail and a little content here. I don't have to add all of that work every single time I create a blog post. Just when I'm speaking about the content, the YouTube thumbnail, linking it. Yes, it's more steps involved, but you're building a solid foundation. You're not taking shortcuts. You're guaranteeing in the future that your hard work won't just become obsolete. That's staying there. That's not going anywhere. If I just added a link and let the WordPress upload, I'm a true believer. Upload the image, turn it into a clickable link. It's more solid. More of a guarantee that it's going to be around for a long time. Here we go, pumpernickel pizza bread. You see that? Blog post. I chose the excerpt. I think that's what it's called. And when you click on this link, you're brought to a blog post speaking about pumpernickel pizza bread. I took about 10 minutes to write this content. Oh, you know what? 15 minutes. I took the YouTube thumbnail that you see on this YouTube channel and I added it here. I made it clickable, so when people click it, they're brought to this YouTube channel, to that specific video. I took a thumbnail that I created and I used it multi-times. Now, watch what I did with the blog posts about organic chicken and the pumpernickel pizza bread. Check this out. Letter C shopping. If you go to the sidebar on storebuy.shop, these are static pages, and search engines call that canonical. All these links on this letter C shopping don't get indexed into the search engines, just this specific page, letter C shopping. However, I did add, where'd I add it? Chicken cutlets organic. And as you can see, storebuy.shop original. That came naturally because I'm not giving up. I'm like, damn, why can't I do that? I can do that. I created all the work. It's more solid. Nobody could take that away from me. You know? Okay, let me show you something else. Letter O shopping. Why would you do that? Organic chicken cutlets. I added it there too. Storebuy.shop original. And the last one, letter P shopping. Because only these pages, these canonical pages, static pages, get indexed into the search engines, not these links. But it's increasing the odds of someone coming across this page. This is catchy. I feel that's going to get a lot of views. Pumpernickel pizza bread. Storebuy.shop original. And this link leads, if I click it, let's see what happens, leads the person to the blog post of pumpernickel pizza bread. It's short, it's sweet, and there's the video. And when people click on the video, oh, I have to make that image clickable. I didn't. It brings them to the video. See, pumpernickel pizza bread. They're showing an ad. You see how I took one piece of work and I, instead of spending hours of creating just one, I'm getting multi-use. Like, I created content on the YouTube channel. Let me write some content. Let me create a blog post. Well, let me take that blog post URL and add it to the static pages. It just keeps branching out, expansion. I hope you found the video interesting. Stay tuned for future videos. I'm going to show you my gradual growth in the search engines from using the search engine URL submission tools as a webmaster. Don't take shortcuts. It's not worth it. You're here for the long term. You want to earn money for years to come. You don't want work you did yesterday to become obsolete in a couple of years. You want them to last. You want your work to last for decades. That's the point. I'll see you later. Bye, everybody.